How to fix Pragmata is crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. And from the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options and then verify the integrity of game files from installed files tab. And once this process is completed, you want to close Steam and then make sure to update your GPU and get the latest driver updates, whether you're using the NVIDIA app or the AMD software. You can download and install them from here. And next, you'll need to also make sure that you have the redistributables installed. You can search for redist, open up the first link, and from here you want to scroll down to this table and make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64, both of them. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, you want to also run Steam as admin before opening the game. Right click and run as admin. And then try to launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash issue. And if you still have a crash right after starting the game, what you can do is try to disable any overlays that you might have enabled. You can start by Steam by going to settings and then in-game and turn off the overlay from here. Next, you want to also disable Discord overlay if you have any. You can click on user settings, scroll down to game overlay and turn it off from here. And you should also disable overlays on your GPU app if you have any. For example, the NVIDIA overlay here, make sure it's turned off. And you should also turn off Riva Static Tuner or MSI Afterburner if you have it. And then you can try to launch the game again from Steam library. And this should fix the crash issue at the startup. Thanks for watching and subscribe.